Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the driving enthusiasts out there. In this video, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of driving a manual car. So, if you've always wanted to learn how to drive a stick shift, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Introduction to the manual transmission. Before we jump into the driving part, let's quickly go over the basics of a manual transmission. A manual car has three pedals: the clutch, the brake, and the accelerator. The shifter is typically located in the center console, and it controls the gears. Each gear has a specific purpose, allowing you to control the speed and power of your vehicle. Now, let's move on to the first step. Starting the car. To start a manual car, make sure the car is in neutral, meaning the shifter is in the middle position. Press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot, and turn the key in the ignition to start the engine. Once the engine is running, release the parking brake. Engaging the first gear. With your foot still on the clutch pedal, move the shifter into the first gear position, which is usually located to the left and up. Slowly release the clutch pedal while gently pressing the accelerator with your right foot. As you release the clutch, you'll feel the car start to move forward. This is called the friction point. Shifting gears. As you gain speed, you'll need to shift to higher gears. To shift gears, take your foot off the accelerator and press the clutch pedal all the way down. Move the shifter to the next gear position and smoothly release the clutch pedal while gradually pressing the accelerator. Remember to match the engine's RPM to the appropriate gear for a smooth transition. Downshifting. When you need to slow down or come to a stop, you'll need to downshift. To downshift, press the clutch pedal, and move the shifter to a lower gear while braking. As you release the clutch pedal, the car will slow down in the lower gear, providing engine braking. Stopping and parking. To come to a complete stop, press the clutch pedal all the way down and apply the brakes. Once stopped, engage the neutral gear. If you're parking, engage the parking brake and turn off the engine. Starting the car. Explain the importance of the neutral gear for starting the engine and how it prevents the car from lurching forward or backward. Emphasize the need to keep your foot on the clutch pedal while starting the engine to ensure the car doesn't move unexpectedly. Engaging the first gear. Describe the role of the clutch pedal in engaging and disengaging the engine's power to the wheels. Explain the concept of the friction point, which is the point at which the clutch engages and the car starts to move. Emphasize the need to release the clutch slowly to avoid stalling the engine. Shifting gears. Discuss the purpose of shifting gears, which is to match the engine's RPM, revolutions per minute, to the speed of the vehicle. Explain the H pattern of the gear shifter and how each gear corresponds to a specific position. Mention the importance of being smooth and gradual when releasing the clutch pedal while shifting gears to ensure a seamless transition. Downshifting. Elaborate on the need to downshift and decelerating or approaching a stop. Explain that downshifting allows the engine to assist in braking, providing better control and reducing wear on the brakes. Emphasize the importance of rev matching while downshifting, which involves blipping the throttle to match the engine's RPM to the lower gear. Stopping and parking. Discuss the process of coming to a complete stop by applying the brakes and pressing the clutch pedal simultaneously. Explain the purpose of engaging the neutral gear when the car is stationary to prevent unnecessary strain on the clutch. Describe the proper technique for applying the parking brake, especially when parking on slopes, to ensure the car remains secure. Learning to drive a manual car takes time and practice. Find an empty parking lot or a quiet road to practice your clutch control and gear shifting. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's it for today's tutorial on driving a manual car. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy driving! Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.